Hi guys, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to make an A2 envelope using this mini scoreboard by Dress My Craft. If you flip the scoreboard over, you'll see the sizes on the back. It tells you the paper size that you need to start with and also where to score. So for the A2 envelope, I already cut this piece of cardstock down to 8 by 8. So find the 3.5-inch mark. Put your paper towards the top of the scoreboard, and you're going to score at this notch here. And then you're going to turn your cardstock 90 degrees and line up that score that you just made with the score guide. And then you're going to score at that notch again. You're going to rotate it 90 degrees, line it up again with the score guide, and then score it again. And then we'll do it one more time. And now we're going to grab our scissors and cut out each of the tiny triangles. If you have a round corner punch, use it on the two longer edges of the envelope. This round punch is from Dress My Craft, and I'm going to put a link to it below. It has 3 different sizes, and I'm using the largest size. So now just go ahead and fold over all your edges and use a Teflon bone folder to really press it down good. And now just put your adhesive on the inner flaps. And then adhere your bottom and you're all finished. Thanks for watching.